Choosing between a stock exchange and a commodity exchange is similar to, say, planting a tree and trading its fruit. Why? Because when you invest in a stock exchange, you're essentially planting a tree. Now, this tree will hopefully grow up and bear fruits. This fruit is a commodity which can be sold and bought. The price of this fruit will increase and decrease because it's seasoning. Hence, we can sell them for immediate wealth gain. Even though both may seem very different, at the end of the day, they are about trading. So, to really understand the difference, we have broken it down into the what you're trading, the how to trade, and the why you're trading. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. On a stock exchange like NSE or BSE, you can buy and sell company shares like Reliance, Zomato, HDFC, etc. Now, this company ka share which you bought, like this IDFC stock that I bought on Ant under the long-term option, I can hold these shares for as long as I want, weeks, months, or even decades. On a commodity exchange like MCX and the NCDEX, you'll be trading physical goods like apple, cotton, oil, gold, wheat, etc. Now, because these are real items, their prices are affected by external factors like weather, politics, and even natural disasters. Also, commodities like this crude oil have an expiration date, which in this case is the 19th of August. So you can't hold them forever. They're usually short-term trades lasting from 1 to 3 months. To invest in the commodity market, create a trading account with a registered stockbroker like Alice Blue. Don't worry, the broker will handle your eKYC, PAN, and other formalities during the onboarding process. Once your account is active, go over to the Ant web trading platform, Trading, Commodities. Here, you can find the list of all the available commodities like crude oil, aluminium, copper, gold, cotton, lead, silver, etc. Trading hours for commodity market is split into 2 sections, morning 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and evening 5 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. or 11:55 p.m. Now, if you're a beginner, don't jump in blindly. Make sure that you have a proper understanding of the seasonal patterns and the global supply and demand. And keep a close eye on the expiration dates as well. Try to start with less volatile commodities like gold. And always put a stop loss to manage risks. Next, to invest in the stock market, you need a Demat account, which you can again create in any stockbroker like Alice Blue. Search for any stock like Tata Steel, analyze its charts to understand its performance and market price fluctuations. Check both its technical aspects such as its chart patterns, volume, indicators, etc. and its fundamental aspects such as the company profits, news, industry, trends, etc. before buying the stock. Trading hours for the stock market is from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. You can use tools like watch lists, alerts, and even SEBI-registered advisors on the platform to stay informed. Now, when you buy a stock, and if it's a good one, then eventually with time, maybe after 25 years or more, the company will grow. And so will its stock price. And so will the value of your stock. Hence, some people trade on the stock exchanges to build a long-term wealth. Sometimes for holding onto their stock, a company might offer you part of their profits, known as dividends. And dividends are a form of passive income. So while some people invest for growth, others invest for passive income through dividends. Now, if we talk about the commodity market, things are a little bit different because the prices move up and down a lot. It's extremely volatile. And that is why there's this concept called as hedging. Hedging is when buyers and sellers agree to lock in a price today for a trade that will happen in the future, like a future contract. Now, this contract protects both sides from unpredictable price changes. That's why many people hedge, not to make profits, but to reduce risk. Now, you might ask, why are we even trading if not for the profits? See, hedgers are farmers, exporters, manufacturers, and even businesses who rely on commodities. Their goal is not to win, but not to lose. Although, there are people who try to make profits from these price movements, speculators. They bet on these price movements and try to achieve the maximum profit by buying low and selling high. So, do you want to plant a tree or trade a fruit? Let us know in the comment section down below along with any doubts or queries that you might have. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and we'll see you guys next time.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.